Lezi indaba zehora lokuqala sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekumkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli. Bukela inazi ezinohlonze mini nje. Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile uhola umcimbi wosuku lwamalungelo abantu eKarigha e-Eastern Cape. Ngalolu suku kukhunjulwa abantu ababulawa amaphoyisa ngesikhathi sobandlululo eSharpeville ngalolu suku ngo-1960. UNethumbo Nandi Ndaitwa usegcotshwe ngokusemthethweni njengomengameli wesifazane wokuqala waseNamibia emcimbini ohanjelwe umengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa kanye nabebengomengameli bakuleli uThabo Mbeki kanye noJacob Zuma.
What we would not like to see is further inflaming the situation and creating more difficulties around what is already a challenging situation.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa senxusa amalungu e-ANC ukuba angenzi lutho ezoshubisa isimo phakathi kwelakuleli nohulumeni waseMelika njengoba kuzokwamukelwa uIbrahim Rasool kuleli kusasa ngemva kokuthi ekhonjwe indlela njengenxusa lakuleli eMelika. Ukuthola kube kwembukeli ngiyakwamukela ezindabeni zehora lokuqala ezingunqa phambili kanti futhi ke ezihamba phambili la ku-SABC 1 Mzansi for sure. Igama lami nginguDaud Phungula. Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile uhola umcimbi wosuku lwamalungelo abantu eKarigha e-Eastern Cape. Ngalolu suku kukhunjulwa abantu ababulawa amaphoyisa ngesikhathi sobandlululo eSharpeville ngo-1960. Ake siwucoshe bukhoma lo mcimbi.
Of the people of South Africa, that's the way they voted, and it must be respected and appreciated by everybody else within us. In that government of national unity, we've got men and women who love their country, who are ready all the time to serve their people, who left everything to come forward to say, I am ready to come and serve. And now we're going to call a minister who has gone a lot. You can't tell him anything about being a young person in South Africa, about being a child of a family that is poor, grew up in the most devastating situation, apartheid townships, being a young person, went through all the difficulties of a young person in South Africa. However, being able to say, I might be able to have everything, but here is the time. I am ready to serve my people. I don't care what you bring. I don't care the salary you pay. I am ready to come and serve my people. And in the wisdom of our president, Comrade Paul Mashatile, the president of the Republic, appointed this young, vibrant man who is a minister of sports, arts and culture. And that minister is Minister Gayton Mackenzie. Where are you? Where are you, South Africans? Where are you, young people? We are calling upon a Minister of Sports, Arts and Culture. Gayton Mackenzie, over to you, Minister.
Nakuba-ke sekupheleke iminyaka engamashumi kwehla isibhicongo sokubulawa kwabantu abangama-35 ngamaphoyisa ombuso wobandlululo kwaLanga, omunye wezisulu owasinda kuvuka imjunju uma yezeka lesi sigameko.
Sathi sisondela basihamba asivalela. Sathi thina sothuka kukhushwa bangaba u-left-handed for she. Yayinguye wayekhupha i-obdrag wathi kubo saphutulwa ke. Sabazintsali apha. Sikugcwele apha abantu bakuthi amaqabane ebulewe ngamabhulu. Sathi sajonge loo nto kubulawa kwethu ngalamabhulu, asithatha amabhulu, sabanjwa, savalelwa eChurch Street. From Church Street asithatha amabhulu, sahlala nathi awara pha esixoxweni seChurch Street. Xa sisuka from Church Street asithatha sa provincial. From provincial zange sihlale basifumana sethe Livingstone. From Livingstone sasigadwa ngamapolisa eNgcinezelo, sathatha savalelwe eRoyal.
Abaholi abehlukene bamaqembu ezombusazwe okubala kuwo iPAC, iEFF kanye neBosa bahambele eSharpeville namhlanje lapho behlanganyele khona nezinkumbi zabantu ngenhloso yokukhunjulwa kwalabo ababulawa eSharpeville ngalolu suku ngo-1960 noselithathwa njengeholide lokuqhakanjiswa kwamalungelo abantu eNingizimu Afrika.
iPAC ngo-1960 iyona eyabise ekhaleni lempi yokulwisana nokuphathwa kwamapasi okwabe kuwumthetho kahulumeni wobandlululo. Umholi weqembu uMzwanele Nyonso uthi yize sekuphele iminyaka engama-65 kwenzeka isibhicongo saseSharpeville, umlando wePAC usahlanekezelwa ngamabomu ukuze iqembu liphele emlandweni obalulekile.
65 years is a very long time. We cannot blame our compatriots if they don't know their political history. Bantu Education had no interest in teaching us about Sharpeville, about Sobukwe, about the fact that in March of 1960s period, the majority of prisoners on the infamous Robben Island were members of the PAC.
Umholi weBosa uMmusi Mayimana obeyingxenye yombuthano wePAC uthe isenkulu inselele ebhekene nabantu abamnyama.
That is why what is happening now in South Africa is important, that the struggle of the men and women who fought today must never be lost. Haru Twakabo Afri Forum going overseas, saying many things about us as South Africa. We must remind people, we stand here, we fight for the liberation of all Africans, and until all Africans are free, we are not yet free.
iEFF ithi siyadumaza isimo senhlalo eSharpeville nakuba sekuphela iminyaka engama-30 ngaphansi kwesandla sikahulumeni wentando yeningi.
We are here to remind our people that it's not yet Uhuru, what our forefathers fought for and stood for, the issues of land that Sobukwe passionately fought for. It has not been returned to our people.
Njengamanje ake sixhumane nentatheli yethu enkanise khona eKarigha lapho kuqhubeka khona umcimbi osuku lamalungelo abantu. Lerato ake sikwamukele ezindabeni zasemini. Sicela nje usitshele ingabe zithini izakhamuzi zalapho mayelana nobumqoka bokukhumbula izisulu ezabulawa amaphoyisa angesikhathi sobandlululo ngalolu suku.
Ndiyazibusa namhlanje selapha eKarigha kwi-commemorations of human rights. Sasa sichithe ixesha kwi-Ruth Laying ceremony ibiseKarigha abekhumbuzwa abantu abasoleka njengelanga massacre. Usekela Mongameli uPaul Mashatile uzothetha mzuzwana ngoku kodwa sasa thethe nje noMr Gayton Mackenzie, uMinister Arts and Culture City unikezela nge-sport equipment kwisikolo iJames Mdulula. Kodwa ngomesithela abantu abatsha balapha bezocelebrate i-Human Rights Day. Anelisiwe lapha namhlanje uzocommemorate human rights abantu abatsha kubaleka kanani uba benebelapha namhlanje.
Kubalekile ngoba kufanele siyazi ubana kwenzeka ntoni kudala and sibe noyazi ubana what to do in future to protect our rights.
And one of the rights that you have as abantu abatsha is the issue of right to education, i-right kwimfundo ne. Do you think as abantu abatsha in terms of imfundo yenu, i-rights zenu are being honored?
Yes. Sometimes they are not, maybe they are, because we get the basic education that we need. But class tertiary asihoyekanga. Umzekelo xa sifuna ugetha i-graduation goals zethu asibi na access because of imali esityalayo e-university.
Then sisi njengomuntu ohlala pha eKarigha zithini mhlawumbe ingxaki emelele nazo kwaye ufuna urhulumente ancede njani abantu abatsha?
Mbane, amanzi, and also i-textbook esikolweni i-textbook siyashare whereby umuntu ke angakwazi ukucontacta omnye for i-textbook yakhe. Amanzi ayaphela, asina clean water, and also asikwazi nofacilitate iilelo zethu, ii-toilet zethu, and umbane uyamka singakwazi ufunda as grade 12 learners.
Lo analisiwe umfundi walapha eKarigha esithi unethemba uba urhulumente uzobanceda indaba yamanzi ingxaki kakhulu apha eKarigha kwindaba yombane esithi also neetable esikolweni ziyashota funeka besherishile sithi kodwa balekile babana babatsha babelapha kwe-celebrations of human rights ukuyazi bazithini rights zabo kwaye to make sure ziyafezekiswa ngurhulumente kodwa ngoku masibele kuwe estudio.
Sibonga kakhulu yona ke intatheli yezindaba ze-SABC uLerato Fegise sibikela bukhoma eseKarigha e-Eastern Cape lapho kuqhubeka khona umcimbi wosuku lwamalungelo abantu. Kanti ke uma sihlabela phambili uNethumbo Nandi Ndaitwa ugcotshwa njengomengameli waseNamibia namhlanje. Okokuqala ngqa ukuthi iNamibia yenganyelwe umuntu wesifazane emlandweni.
Kube nemvula enamandla kusukela ngoLwesithathu kuze kube namhlanje Namibia njengoba lelizwe ligcoba umengameli walo oqala wesifazane nje. Lemvula isikhahlamezene enqalazinda lokhu kuphoqe ukuba ususwe lapho buzokuba khona lo mcimbi okugcoba uNandi Ndaitwa ube kwenye indawo.
I Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwa do hereby swear that I will strive to the best of my ability to uphold, protect and defend as the supreme law the Constitution of the Republic of Namibia, and faithfully to obey, execute, administer the laws of the Republic of Namibia, that I will protect the independence, sovereignty, territorial integrity, and the material and spiritual resources of the Republic of Namibia.
Bengomengameli bakuleli okunguThabo Mbeki kanye noJacob Zuma bawuhambelile lo mcimbi. Nowengamelela kuleli njengamanje uCyril Ramaphosa ukhona kuwo lo mcimbi. Kusenjalo Nethumbo Nandi Ndaitwa ungowesihlanu ukwengamela eNamibia. Silindo kuhle ngidi endabeni ze-SABC.
Bokeleke sisathiqu ezitolo kanti uma sibuya sizokuphathela uWT.
50 years in existence is a milestone for any political organization.
I-IFP iqala imigubho yeminyaka engama-50 yasungulwa ngokubamba inkonzo ebandleni lapho umsunguli walo leli iqembu inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi alisungulela khona ngo-1975. Bukela sikubingelele sikwamukela uma ngabe usanda ngena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi iphini likaMengameli wezwe Paul Mashatile ohola umcimbi wosuku lwamalungelo abantu eKarigha e-Eastern Cape ngalolu suku ke kukhunjulwa abantu ababulawa amaphoyisa angesikhathi sobandlululo eSharpeville ngalolu suku ngo-1960. Bukela sikukhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uzicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba nakanjani uzozithola ngomjalo bazo. Bukele nawe sikubuzile ukuthi ingabe lichazani usuku lwamalungelo abantu waphendula kanje.
Ama-holiday ke ala eNingizimu Afrika kusamele ke ebukezwe kahle awaqondile. Yabona namhlanje kumele abe nje sibungaza impilo zabantu abalahleka liqonde kungathiwa amalungelo abantu ngoba kufuna ukufaka abantu abathize. Umlando uqonde sibungaza impilo zabantu abalahleka ngo-1960.
Lolu suku lona lubaluleke kakhulu ngoba phela bazi ukuthi abantu abashona babedlulwa ngamaphoyisa nekhadi ziyana kamizobandlululo umhlakazi amaphoyisa aqwasana kakhulu. Lona libaluleke kakhulu usuku namhlanje mhla ka-21.
Thina sesijabulela nje iholiday nje ukuthi singayanga emisebenzini ngoba nalabo abaphethe manje kwezepolitiki abasenandaba nathi. Lento eyayilwelwa ngabafowethu kuqala abasayenzi abasenandaba nayo. Thina sesijabulela nje iholiday, siyasibrayela siyazijabulela.
Amalungelo siyajabulela impela wona kodwa alibulele izwe. Indlela esenze ngayo nesathu sengayo akuyona le eyasatshaliselwa. Sathu sengesinqele kakhulu thina kodwa kunakala nje izinto eziningi zingakhulu esosinakele manje ngenxa yokuthi manje sithi sikhululekile. Losuku ongeve kuyinhloso ukuthi sithethe isinema kanjani. Usuku lubaluleke kakhulu lo. Kodwa thina esisathatha ngesinqele akukhona lokho esikwenzayo thina manje ongabe kufanele ngabe siyakwenza. Makukhuluma ngendaba yosuku lamalungelo wabantu.
Iyona ke imbono yababukeli mayelana nokuthi ngabe usuku lanamhlanje lusho ukuthini kubona. Kanti uma silabela phambili ihhovisi likaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa senxusa amalungu e-ANC ukuba angenzi lutho ezoshubisa isimo phakathi kwelakuleli nohulumeni waseMelika njengoba kuzokwemukelwa uIbrahim Rasool kuleli kusasa ngemva kokuthi ekhonjwe indlele njengenxusa lakuleli eMelika.
Ihhovisi likaMengameli lithi siya ngokushuba isimo phakathi kweNingizimu Afrika neMelika. Inxusa laseNingizimu Afrika eMelika uIbrahim Rasool uxoshwe ngesonto ledlule eMelika kanti ANC ihlela kumenzela umcimbi wokumamukela ekhaya kulempela sonto. Leli hhovisi liphinde ladonsa ngendlebe amalunga leli qembu ngokuthi azithibe ukuze angenzi okuzobhebhezela ukungaboni ngasolinye neMelika.
What we would not like to see is further inflaming the situation and creating more difficulties around what is already a challenging situation.
Umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa usemise nezinhlelo zokuthumela ithimba eMelika ngoba akukho kumele kuchazele umengameli uDonald Trump njengoba kuvele kungekho ukuthatha komhlaba ngendluzula kuleli. Umagwenya uthi ithimba lakuleli lizothunyelwa eMelika ngenhloso yokuqinisa ubudlelwane naleli alizwe qha hayi ukuyochaza ngomthetho okubuyiswa komhlaba.
President is not going to rush that process. He's applying his mind. In fact, the president appreciates the numerous messages that he's received. He's been inundated by messages from people volunteering themselves to be posted in Washington, from people making suggestions of individuals to be considered for Washington.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uphinde wanxenxa umkhandlu udolobha waseGoli ukuba uhoxise izinhlelo zawo zokuqamba kabusha umgwaqo oSenton Drive njengoba kuhlelo ukuba uqanjwe ngegama lika lowo isishoshovu sasePalestina uLeila Khaled.
I-IFP iqale imigubho yeminyaka engama-50 yasungulwa ngokubamba inkonzo ebandleni lapho umsunguli walo inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi alitsungelela khona ngo-1975.
50 years in existence is a milestone for any political organization. Many political organizations, when they reach 50 years, in most cases, they are history, no longer being meaningful and no longer enjoying the support of the people of South Africa. You can mention them in our country. We even forget that they exist, having completed 50 years. Many other political organizations, like business, some of them do not even finish 10 years.
Amaphoyisa asethula umkhankaso wokuthungatha ababulali emva kokudutshula kubulawa abayisikhombisa ezigamekweni ezimbili ezahlukene esifundazweni eGauteng.
Amaphoyisa athi lesigameko sokudubula senzeke nje emva kokubumbana ihora lesikhombisa ekseni. Asola ukuthi lesigameko sihlobene nempi ephakathi kwezinhlangano ezimbili ezihamba amabanga amade.
A group of about 6 men driving in a blue VW Polo. They came to this taxi rank here in Doornfontein and they started shooting at people. And after they have fled, it was realized that about 4 people had been died.
Akacacike ukuthi lesigameko sihlobene nesenzeka ngolwesithathu ebusuku lapho kwashona khona abantu abathathu ezonke izizwe ekuruleni. Amaphoyisa athi asesungile ithimba labaseshi elizophenya ngalezi zigameko. Lesigameko sesithuse abafundi basezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme abaningi abahlala eduze nala kwenzeke khona isigameko.
This is very sad because after everything that has transpired, having to know that you have to pass here every day.
I really don't feel safe anymore because now we pass here every day, around 7, 8, anytime. But now it's so sad that one of our students were part of this.
Akaboshwa muntu ke ngalezigameko zombili.
Bukela umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uyalandela emva kwekhefu. Bukeleza guqa izindaba zehora lokuqala zolimi likaMagebela kwe-SABC 1 oza kwethu bayeza nezindaba ngolimi lesiNdebele uMagamanxa ihora lesihlanu. Thina ke sizobeka ke nezinye izindaba uma libumbana ihora lesikhombisa kusihlwa. Bukele usale kahle.